How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing whistling practice. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to do today is going to be whistling, but with... Fuck, that still hurts. Whistling with no fingers, or no hands, I mean. So again, just whistling without fingers. We'll be doing that for 10 seconds. We'll do 5 sets, and then we're done. So let's get started. Seconds right there. For these videos too, I will give you guys tips on how to whistle better if it's your first time watching this video, because a lot of guys, you're just tuning in, you've never seen my channel before, and you're wondering tips too on how to whistle. So the biggest thing I can tell you for whistling is suction of your lips. That is the main thing, and tongue position. Those two things, you get those, you'll whistle. Now, when I whistle like this. Look where my tongue is. So again, tongue position. I'm putting the tip of my tongue right underneath my front teeth. All I do then is close my lips, make very tight, like you're kind of kissing someone, like, but there's an opening like this. And then all you do is you blow. That's it. So simple to do. What I found though is whistling with your fingers like this, like that, gets me extremely lightheaded. I'm sure a lot of you that do that too, you get really lightheaded. So that's just something to watch out for when you're whistling with your fingers. We're not doing that today, so you don't have to worry. Yeah, pretty easy to do, but I like practicing my whistling. You can always get better at something through practice, and that's kind of what these videos are for. I know a lot of people on my channel, whistling is very popular on my channel. A lot of people want to know how to whistle. And one subscriber actually gave me an idea for this. He said, you should make videos where you're just whistling, like practicing whistling. That would help a lot of people out. Well, that's what I'm doing. Thank you, subscriber. You really helped me get quite a few videos in. But yeah, easy peasy, my friends, easy peasy. Let's do another 10 seconds. Just like that. Some good stuff. Yeah, we are killing it. I'm also killing it for the uploads today. 10th video of the day. 2 more videos, 6-pack video, then a Kegel video, and then I got 2 easy videos with jawline and forearm. So that'll put me at 14. Then a push-up video was 15, then 3 more and I'm done. Not too shabby. My hand is really hurting still. I got a piece of glass in it. I don't know if the glass is out. Pretty sure it is. Oh well. Do another 10 seconds. Just like that, my friends. Just like that, we are killing it. Killing it, killing it, killing it. Channel's doing extremely well today. Yesterday did very well. Today's doing very well too. So hopefully we can keep up with this amount of views all month. And yeah, that'd be sweet. Ad rates could be a little bit higher right now, but that is okay. Generally, February, they progress a little bit slow at the start of the week, the start of the month, then near the middle to the end, they start to get a little bit better. Okay, we'll do another 10 seconds and then we are done the video. So Okay, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.